Schools run on a system that was designed over a century ago to educate about 5% of the young men in our society past the 8th grade.
I was anxious because I didn't know what to expect.
A new country, new people, everything new. Everything I knew was, I have to live it.
At the beginning I was kind of scared, but then I realized that all freshmen were scared.
We kind of have a phrase that we meet them where they are and get them where they need to be.
A lot of it is the barrier of English.
Thinking outside the box of ways to kind of speed up their process of feeling included and being successful here.
What I think a student will do, or a student needs, or a student wants, isn't what they necessarily want.
I really did have to go back into things that I had to learn as a student to help me help them.
We have an obligation to give them the tools that they need to get to where they need to be.
They kind of help you until you're ready, and then they throw you outside and they say, you can do this, and we're always going to be back here if you need us.
First, it was baby steps, attending office hours or homework centers or finding all these resources.
We have to have people inside the classrooms and inside the halls that know the issues, that can relate and identify with some of the issues, who are willing to get in there and really make a difference.
No, I'm doing great. I have my grades really high. I'm the student of mom.
Learning how to support ENL learners is almost a gateway to help us support various learners or diverse learners.
It's a way for them to take ownership of their learning.
They makes you feel like you belong somewhere, that you're not alone and that they went through the same thing you're going through. So it is like, if they went through the same thing and they're helping me, I can do it.
I feel like the school is how the college is in Peru. So I kind of am leaving college in high school now.
They kind of push you, they kind of push your boundaries, and then sometimes you get frustrated and they say that's okay. And then when you finally leave, they don't want you to leave.